Hi guys, welcome. It is Monday. Let's get started. So it is week 4, it is August 31st. This is actually the video for day 1 and 2. On the very first day, we are going to use our new notebooks, which the link was right there for you. If you didn't print it out, if you were in person, you should already have it. Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, you're going to be getting it today. So we're going to do this reading. We're going to watch a YouTube video about diseases. It's about 5 minutes. It's going to give us a good introduction. Then we're going to read the following article in our notebooks and answer the questions. When you're finished, you'll take a screenshot or a picture and upload it as your assignment. Then after we finish that, because it won't take too long, we are going to start a microbiology notes unit. There are 3 pages of notes right there. They are for you if you want a quick heads up of what they are. They're in your notebook. You're going to click this link and it is going to bring up a PDF that looks like this. You are going to use these slides to help answer the fill-in-the-blank questions about pathogens and microbiology as a whole, as well as some vectors of disease. That's it. It's not that hard today. I hope you have a fantastic day. If you have questions, email me. For this assignment, you'll need to submit 3 pictures. Yep. Have a great day, guys.